check this out.
This lab is different from a normal classroom in that we never quite know what's going to happen. At any given moment of our class, you might see students giving fruit flies new food, you might see antibody staining, you might see larval dissections, and looking at fluorescence microscopy. Ultimately, they're all working towards the same goal of discovering the underlying mechanism of hereditary spastic paraplegia in a fruit fly.
HSP is a progressive neurodegenerative disease in which people lose the ability to walk.
Fruit flies actually have a large amount of sequence similarity in their DNA. The underlying mechanisms of disease are similar in a fruit fly.
I just really love the kind of feeling that you're doing, real research and kind of the impact that you have. You're making real findings.
I get excited about the students getting out of this class, just really gaining a very personal understanding of what it means to do research.
It's probably one of the classes I look forward to the most every week. It's a great way for an undergraduate to get research practice in before working in an actual lab.
If what we find from this class could contribute even a small part to helping patients with this disorder, that would be an amazing contribution.